Question number 10 of exercise 11.2. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. So this is a park which is pentagon in shape. Now in this, for finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. Okay, this is Jyoti's diagram and this is Kavita's diagram. I told you that when there is any polygon which has more than 4 sides, then that the area of that polygon can be found by dividing the polygon into different shapes. So Jyoti has divided it vertically and Kavita has divided it horizontally. Find the area of this park using both ways, and can you suggest some other way of finding its area? Now if this is the area, this is Jyoti's diagram. Jyoti has divided it vertically. So what did we get? We have got two trapezium. See, it's a trapezium. If I'll tilt the notebook, then you will understand that it's a trapezium. These two are parallel sides and these two are non-parallel sides, and this will be the height. This is going to be the height. This is A and B, side A and side B, and this is going to be the height till here. And same measurement will be of this side, so we can do the twice of one trapezium. Now let's see the measurements. See, according to this is 15, this total is 30. So here A is going to be 15 and B is going to be 30, and this portion is also given 15. Now this full is 15 and divide it into half, it will be 7.5 meter. Okay, so you will write all the measurement, that what is A in this, what is B, what is height. So A is 15, B is 30 and height is 7.5 cent. Sorry, it's in meter. Okay, so you have got all the measurements. Now find the area of one trapezium, area of second trapezium, and add it. This is what you have to do for Jyoti's diagram. You will make the diagram like this and solve it. Now Kavita has divided the diagram into horizontal, like horizontally she has divided. Now what is this? It's a triangle and this is a square. Okay, because this side is given 15 meter and this side is also given 15, so it's a square. So you will find the area of square, and here you will have to find the area of the triangle. We know that the area of triangle is base in half into base into height. So base is 15. Now what about the height? Full height is 30, till here it is 15. What is the remaining portion? This is also 15. See here, full height is 30, till here it is 15. So how much is left? Only 15 is left. In this, for the square, you should know the side, and side is given 15 meter. For the triangle, you need to know the base and height. Base is given 15 meter and height is also given 15 meter. Put the values and find the area. Question number 11 of exercise 11.2. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimension 24 by 28 centimeter and its inner dimensions are 16 by 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. We have to find the area of each section separately. We do not have to find the area of the this portion. We have to find the area of this portion separately. Section 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's better that if we write it here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now if you see each section is forming a trapezium. These two are the parallel sides and these two are the non-parallel side. So each section is a trapezium. We have to find the area of each section separately of this frame. To find that, we will first find the area of the first trapezium, then second, third and fourth. For these trapeziums, let's see what will be its dimension. If this is 16, it is also going to be 16. If this is 24, it is also 24. Here is 20 and this is going to be 28 centimeter. So parallel sides are 16 and 24. But what about the height? How will you find the height? For this section height, each section, what is going to be the height? It is given in the question that the width means height of each section is same. Okay, now let's find out the height. If you see here horizontally, this full is 24, this portion is 16. 24 minus 16, it is 8 centimeter. This h plus h here is going to be 8. Now divide it into 2 halves. So 8 will be divided by 2, that means 4 centimeter. So each height is going to be 4 centimeter. Now if you see it like this, then also it will be same. See, this is 28 full, this portion is 20. 28 minus 20 is 8. Now divide it into 2 parts, 4 and 4. So this is how we will find the height. Now let's find the area of each section. Area of section 1, which is a trapezium. So how we will find? Half into a plus b into height. Half into a is 16 and b is 24. 16 and 24. A and b you can put any, doesn't matter. H is 4. Now 2 2s are 4. You can't cut these two because these are within the bracket. Okay, now you can add 24 and 16. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4. 40 into 2, which is going to be 80 centimeter square. So area of this trapezium is going to be 80 centimeter square, and so will be the area of this one because their dimensions are same. So area of trapezium 3 is going to be 80 centimeter square. Now you can find the area of trapezium 2 and trapezium 4. So you do not have to add, you will not add all these 4 because they are asking it separately. So no need to add. And here we finish the exercise 11.2.